Hello friends. Hello friends. I hope all of you are doing well. Let's discuss the given question. If y equal to tan inverse of sec x minus tan x, then find the value of d over dx. Okay. So guys, key concept is here. Key concept we use is which key concept? Key concept is nothing but the inverse differentiation or inverse differentiation, or we can call it as a differentiation of inverse functions. Okay. Differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. So now tell me how we solve this question. First write down the function as it is, that is y equal to tan inverse of bracket sec x minus tan x. So call this equation number 1. So guys, first we convert that sec x and tan x in terms of sine and cos. We will simplify this, and then after that we can substitute this value in the equation 1. So what is the sec x minus tan x? Sec x minus tan x can be written as 1 upon cos x minus sin x upon cos x. Okay. So it can be written as 1 minus sin x upon cos x. Great. So then 1 can be written as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Okay. Minus this sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Remember that. Then in the denominator, cos x can be written as, we know the formula, that is cos square of x by 2 minus sin square of x by 2. Because cos 2x is nothing but the cos square x minus sin square x. So simplify this. This whole numerator term can be written as sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole bracket square. In the denominator, it can be written as cos of x by 2 minus sin of x by 2. This is the first bracket, and in the another bracket we can write is cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2. Okay. So guys, okay, so can we simplify anything? So guys, numerator can be written as a cos x. So we can write a cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 also. Okay. So we can arrange that according to our equations. So cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, right? So one is cancelled. One bracket is cancelled. In the next will be remaining cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. In the denominator, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay. So what can we do here? We can take the common of cos x by 2. In the bracket will be remaining 1 minus tan x by 2. Okay. Whole divided by cos x by 2. In the bracket will be remaining 1 plus tan x by 2. Okay. So cos x by 2 will get cancelled, and 1 minus, what will be the remaining? 1 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2. So guys, this is the expansion of tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. If we simplify this tan pi by 4 minus x by 2, so this is the expansion of 1 minus, this expansion of tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 is 1 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2. So we have to substitute this value in the equation 1. So we get, what will we get? What is the given equation? Y equal to tan inverse of, instead of sec x minus tan x, we can write tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, so tan inverse of tan is nothing but the x value. So here x will be pi by 4 minus x by 2. Y will be pi by 4 minus x by so. So we have to find the differentiation of this function, that is dy by dx equal to pi by 4 is constant, so derivative is 0, minus x by 2 derivative is minus 1 by 2. So guys, your final answer will be dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 2. So this will be your final answer. So let's check which option is correct one. Minus 1 by 2. Option number A is a correct option. I hope guys everybody has understood this question. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.